Penny's taking a dust bath. She's getting clean. It's so funny that this is how they get clean. Because she's filthy. Watch when, well, she's not going to even get up yet, but once she gets up and shakes, it's like a big cloud. Hi, Clucksworth. You getting in there? Spa time. Penny, I think you're full. Pen. I should call you Pigpen. Hi, Margie. Yep, there's a green plant grown in there. I was surprised you guys hadn't found it already. I think Marge wants a bath. Okay, watch when she shakes. Oh. She's not. I just went in there and loosened it up. I have to loosen it up every day because it gets compacted down. And then it's not so easy for them. Watch. You're just going to walk around like that? You're not going to shake it out? Okay, cool. Penny's tired. She's just chilling, I guess. She's going to dust bath and mulch now. Because she got kicked out of the dust bath. What is happening? Yo. Alright, I gotta go. Penny, shake. Penny, shake off so I can show the people. Go ahead. Shake. Go ahead, Penny. Shake it off. Shake it off. How does it go? Penny. You're all white. You're just gonna do that? You're just gonna do me that way? You're just gonna make a big liar out of me? Not shake off so a big cloud of dust comes like I said everybody would? Okay, fine. That's cool. I mean, it's not, but whatevs.